And take your right leg back. Take your left leg forward. Inhale. Exhale. Let me see. Inhale, turn. More, Kevin, more. Yes. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Take your arms up. See, already you're turning here. No? Your chest is there. And then exhale. Bend your left knee. Inhale. Turn your back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and hold. And exhale. Join your palms. Inhale, come up. Take your arms down. Stand straight. Breathe. Now the next posture we are doing is, again it's a twisting, but you're bending your knee and then you're locking your arm. So you don't need the bricks now. It's Parivrtta Parsvakonasana. Take your left leg back. Take your right leg forward. So this, what we did before, this is still the same, but we still want to loosen the back more. So right knee bent, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, just feel your back, turn it as much as you can. Because heat is good, it will help you to go deeper. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And now take your elbow out like this, because you want to take your elbow on the outside of your right knee. So that, and down. Turn your back. Inhale. And exhale. Release. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and hold. And exhale. Join your palms. Inhale, come up. Back in Thoracic. And take your right leg back. Take your left leg forward. And we want that same movement. So your left knee is slightly bent. And then when you're inhaling, you're turning your hip, moving your knee in, and then turning your chest. Now, so it's this. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Turn your back more. Exhale. And then inhale. Turn your elbow in. Bend your left knee. Lock your hand, your elbow on your left knee. And then inhale, turn your back. Push your left palm on your right to turn. And exhale. Inhale. exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, turn and hold. And inhale, join your palms, come up, and back in Tadasana. We're doing it once again. And once again, take your left leg back, take your right leg forward. Inhale. Turn the back more because now you're deep in your back. Turn it. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale. Turn your elbow in. Go in. Bend your right knee. And now to turn, you need to push your right palm on your left palm. Inhale, turn. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and hold. Then exhale. Join your palms. Inhale, come up.